So are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you think it's expensive? Like you think the gear I have to have, I have to spend like 1 million naira to start based on the gear. Okay, if that's what you're thinking about, then watch this video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys essential gear, essential equipment that you need to start your YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Temitope Banks, showing you guys affordable equipment that you need to start up your YouTube channel. So the very first essential equipment that you need is a device to record your videos. Right now, if you don't have a camera, all right, you can use your phone, but that's just a very generic advice that people give. What type of phone can you use to start your YouTube channel that is good? Because if you go and buy one palasa, you know what they call palasa, you go and buy one palasa phone that the camera quality is not good, let me tell you the truth, as much as you want to start affordable, you need to have a good phone, not just any kind, a good phone that can shoot in 4K. And there are a lot of phones that can shoot in 4K. So if you are thinking of, okay, I want to buy a phone that is affordable, maybe between your price range of, let's say, 80K to 200,000, there are good phones that you can buy. All right, and I'm going to putting a link in the description box to Jumia. Jumia has good phones, all right, that you can buy. But if you follow my link, you are going to see good phone for YouTube, because a phone can be good does not mean it's good for YouTube, or does not mean it's good for making videos. All right, so that's something you need to bear in mind, because there are many good phones, but they are not just good for you as a content creator, as a YouTuber. So check out the link in the description box for that. Second essential equipment that you need is a good microphone. Yes, like this one that I'm holding. Let me tell you guys a secret. Let me explain. Now, see, a lot of times you may have very good content, but people cannot hear you. Your voice is not audible, your voice is not loud, and that crisp sound that you are hearing is not follow come, because not everybody has a loud voice that is just your voice will just be shouting. So you need a good microphone. I know you've probably heard, get a Boya mic. Check how much is Boya mic. Can you afford this? For this business, whenever I make money, there are affordable options ranging from 6,000 to 19,000. You will get a good microphone depending on your budget. Like they say, sweet when sweet, now money 9 kill. All right, so, and thank God you don't have to go abroad. You don't have to have somebody abroad who's going to go and buy this thing for you or send it to you. Some of us, we don't have that. All right, and it doesn't have to stop you from starting your YouTube channel. All right, that's why you have me, Temitope Banks. All right, so have you subscribed? If you haven't subscribed yet, if you have subscribed, let me know that I subscribed to Temitope Banks. We do vibes. Okay, so on Jumia, they have good microphones. I bought this one that I'm using on Jumia. All right, so it ranges, okay, because I don't know which one you would like. It depends on you, but let me tell you the range from 6,000 naira to 20K. You will get a good Bluetooth microphone like this. There are other types of microphone. I think there's another one. Let me show you guys. So you have this cordless one that you can, is Bluetooth. It has an adapter that is currently on my phone. So anywhere, there are even some that you, if you want to be doing interviews, right, it comes in a set of 2. Okay, check the link in the description box. All right, you're going to see the links to all these things, so you can get that one. Then there's this one. This is the one that I started with, or I bought as my journey began. I've forgotten how much I bought. I think I bought it for 7,000 naira. I can't remember. This one it has a long cord. You can just it's the normal one. This one I bought it for 7,000. I don't know how much it is currently, but you can check all these things when you check the link that I'm going to put in the description box. Then you have this one. So when you are talking, you are not just starting, let me show this for me. You're not just starting your YouTube channel with bad sound, and because like I said, video quality and sound, most times it depends on the niche that you are doing your videos. Your niche may not even be, not all niches require that your videos have to be out there, but you see this thing sound, you see sound. Sometimes your content may even be crappy, but because you have the vibes, you have the personality, people may want to watch it, because YouTube is diverse. But that's not what this video is about. But good sound, let me not talk too much. Good sound. So like I said, you can get this one on Jumia, you can get the other one on Jumia. So I've put the link. I've put the link. Don't say I talk about you. Not put the link. I have put the link in the description box, so check it out. Okay, so the next essential equipment, let me tell you why I'm putting it in these categories, because this next equipment I want to tell you about, you know that you can use your hand to hold your video. You can put your video on top buckets. In fact, I'll put a picture of how I started my YouTube channel and the bucket and stool that I was using as my tripod. You need a tripod stand, all right? But it doesn't mean that you cannot start your YouTube channel without a tripod stand, because like I said, I started out my YouTube channel using buckets and pen rubber buckets and books as my tripod. So you can start your YouTube. So if you have your phone and you have your microphone, you can actually start, all right? But if you now have extra money, like, okay, I have this, let me just invest, you can get tripod stands, and there are different types of tripod stands. So you have this hand tripod stand in case you want to do like vlogging type of videos. Then you have the long one that my phone is currently standing on. I'm going to put it on the screen, all right? So then there's one that I want to buy now, okay, because I bought this one a long time ago. That one is a hand tripod stand, but you can elevate it, okay? So it's like a 2-in-1 type of tripod stand. Like I said, all these things you can get it on Jumia. I'm going to put it on Jumia, all right? I'm going to put the links to where you can get them, because tripod stands are very important for stabilizing your videos. You know those videos that will be doing shaky shaky daddy? Do you remember shaky shaky daddy? Shaky shaky daddy, shaky shaky daddy. You don't want that. You want a stable video that makes it enjoyable for people, because like I said, yeah, I understand that we're starting affordably, right? But we have to come correct, we have to come nicely, we have to come through correct, okay? So the next thing you need there is a good ring light. Now I am not one of those people that will say, oh, you must get a ring light if you want to start your YouTube channel. It depends on how your house is. So if you have a good area that sunlight, the light of God, of Jehovah, is shining on you, and your place is well lit, you really don't need a ring light when you are starting out. But if you don't, if everywhere in your house is dark, then get a ring light. And there are affordable ring lights. There are different types of ring lights. You can start from where you are, all right? They have small ring lights that you can just put, that if you are doing sit down videos, they have a proper ring light, okay? And some of these things you don't have to get them the first day you want to start your YouTube. So you have your phone, you have your, but I'm just sharing with you in case maybe you have let's say the money to invest, okay, so that you know all that you need to get a ring light, all right? Or you can get a proper LED light. There are some LED lights, there are different lightings that they have these days, LED lights, ring lights, okay, and you have your small studio light. So it just makes your video brighter, because we want to see your face, we don't want to be seeing darkness, we don't need it. So if you are coming through correct, affordably, all right, you don't have to what's the word, break the bank, but you need to spend some money. But you can start from where you are with what you have, all right? Like I said, links to all these things are in the description box. And have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? If you have subscribed, type in the comment section, I just subscribed to Temi Talkware Bank's YouTube. Ring light, okay, very important. So very important, is good if you can afford it, all right? But if you can't, look for where there's a window, do your videos just opposite the window so that the sunlight is bright. I even personally, I like the quality that sunlight gives. I feel like it's usually finer than ring light. There's always this thing about ring light that I don't like, but that's just me. But like I said, it depends on your environment. Then the final thing I'm going to talk about is backdrop and ambience. Why am I even talking about ambience? Okay, because let me tell you the truth, depending on the niche that you want to do, there are different ways of doing YouTube. You can start a YouTube channel doing voiceovers, that's just the truth. But you can start a YouTube channel also showing your face. Now, if you want to show your face, ambience is very important. Doesn't mean you have to break the bank, no, not necessarily, but you may not just have a location or a studio that the ambience is nice, okay? Because let me tell you, people are visual, people are looking, people are watching you, okay? So you have to put up a show. I know there are some people that tell you that, oh, be yourself, but I will not lie to you. Be the best version of yourself. Your favorite television shows, there's a reason why you watch them. The ambience, everything, no, it all matters. On this street of YouTube, it all matters. And on social media generally, don't say, "Ah, I just want to be myself." Don't just be yourself, okay? If we all wanted to watch people being themselves, we will not. We have our localities to look at different people. So what I'm just trying to say is that there's a certain finesse that you need to put in your videos, all right, to make it look better. So you need brighter colors if for your ambience. So usually the ideal colors for YouTube filming space: cream, white, those type of colors always comes out even if you don't have decoration. But when you have a white painting or a white backdrop, it always comes out, it always gives this crispness to your video. Or off-white, all right, or cream, it always comes out well. So you have having a good ambience, having a good background is very nice, okay? And you don't need a lot of things to beautify your space, just simple things, flower vases. Maybe we'll do another video about that, okay, on how you can beautify your space. But if you are not at that point where you can beautify where you're going to be filming, you can get a backdrop, all right? A backdrop is something that you can put at your back so that you can sit down, like where I was staying when we started this video before I ran here, so that copyright will not finish me. We're going to talk about all those things, okay, some other time. You need a backdrop. I have never used like a backdrop. I've always gone the route of painting and just putting little things here and there to make it final, wallpaper. I personally, a lot of people, I don't like this wallpaper, all right, but a lot of people use this type of wallpaper. I feel like it's not it usually brings down the beauty of your videos. That's just my personal opinion though. So I would prefer a plain white background, something like this. Let me show you. You see, this type of white background is better, all right? So you just beautify it and all of that. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Check the description box for all the links that you need, all right, all the links to get this equipment that we have talked about, okay, at affordable prices, and get started creating, because practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more you know what the audience wants, the more you know how to go about doing this business of YouTube. Anyway, thank you so much guys. I'll see you in my next one.